To commemorate its 70th Foundation Day, Meghalaya Bharat Scouts and Guides today organized a voluntary blood donation camp in collaboration with the Indian Red Cross Society and Pasteur Institute on the theme MBSG Fights COVID-19 at the state headquarters in Geelong. Speaking to the media, State Secretary MBSG Mrs. A. Swear termed the celebration as historic movement as organization could create awareness among the local populace on the importance of keeping good health and hygiene during the COVID-19 pandemic. She also informed that 22 people donated their blood on the occasion.
I want to highlight a little bit about our program, a special program which we have organized in connection with the 70th Foundation Day. The Foundation Day of the Bharat Scouts and Guides took place in 1950 when the all organization of the Bharat Scouts and Guides amalgamated together and came together as one Bharat Scouts and Guides. So from this day, every year we are celebrating this day on the 7th of November. But this year, the celebration is a very different celebration. Because of the COVID-19, because of this coronavirus, our celebration of the Foundation Day this year is a historic occasion because we have taken the theme Meghalaya Fights COVID-19, very related to the situation of the world. The whole world is now facing these challenges against this COVID-19, and so celebration of the 70th Foundation Day this year has been taken to concentrate about the health issue and to concentrate about the prevention of the spread of coronavirus. We have heard people, public and in the social media and everywhere that COVID-19 might come for the second wave. So we do not want that second wave. We can stop the second wave and we can stop also the spread if the people are aware to follow the protocols. Most of all the people, we want to tell the people also not to collect information from social media because people nowadays, they are afraid to go to hospital, they are afraid to go to the doctors also because they think that whenever you are only suffering from small fever, so to say, if you go to the doctor, they will tell you you are having COVID. So they are all, this is a situation that is taking place now. People are not going anymore to the hospital even if they are very sick. And this is very threatening. If they don't go to hospital, they will spread the coronavirus. So we have been telling the people to not to believe in the misinformation. All the news through media and all the wrong information given by social media, this and that, we should not believe in all those misinformation given, but we should see that to follow the protocol given by the proper channel by the health department and by the government. If we only try to follow protocol, then only we will be able to stop this coronavirus. This is the awareness that we are giving to the people. So we have tried to reach out. And on the last day, on the 6th, we had organized awareness through webinar. We have held a big webinar through Zoom. And from there, we have got Dr. Don Kupar Lalu, who has given the highlight about the COVID-19 and the real systematic awareness about this so that people knows about it. I'm happy to inform you that there are about 500 and more people who have participated in this webinar. So with this participation, I hope we are able to cover a little bit of information to the public as a whole through this webinar. And we are very happy that we are very successful. And today, being the final day, we have thought of the best program is blood donation because this is the need of the hour. we have organized blood donation in collaboration with the Indian Red Cross Society. The Bharat Scouts and Guides from Delhi, they have issued instruction in all the states in India. They are trying to organize blood donation camp in collaboration with the Red Cross Society. It is a part of the celebration of the Foundation Day, 70th Foundation Day of the Bharat Scouts and Guides. So here also in our state, it is, I think, very successful. Now also we have covered, so many blood donors have come and we are able. So this is important awareness for the public, also not to be afraid to give blood, and it is very important for the department to save blood. This Department of Parcher Institute from the government, they have come to our rescue to do all the technical of taking blood. So we are very grateful this joint event will be successful, and we would encourage the people more and more to not to be afraid to give blood. Today also there are so many who are afraid to give blood, but after we have educated them, we have told them about the necessity of giving blood and about the profit that the person also will be getting. And more people are encouraged. They have been inspired to give blood, so they have given blood. So this is the very message that I want to give to all of you who are listening, that the coronavirus has not ended, and all of us, we will have to take care of ourselves. We will have to live, and we should not blame any other government or health department, because this virus is very new and we are doing research after research, people to know and to find the findings. So there are so many changes of protocol because of the findings from the research, because it's a new virus. So from the finding of the research, they come to be informed more better, and that is why they have changed the protocol. So we have to tell people not to be afraid of this coronavirus, but the only thing we can stop is to stop from spreading by following the protocol properly. So this is a message given to all of you. So thank you very much, and I hope all of us, we will be able to stay safe, stay healthy, follow the protocols, and have a safe journey ahead and end this COVID altogether in the whole world. Thank you.
Okay.